Want to know how to check if a number is a Buzz number? Well, no worries. Now, in this video, I'm just going to explain you how to know if a number is a Buzz number easily under a minute. So let's get straight to it. So if you don't know what a Buzz number is, a Buzz number is simply a number that is divisible by 7 or ending with a 7. In Java, we can simply use the modulo operator, which is like this right here. We can see under the if statements or number modulus to check these conditions. If the number modulus 7 equals to 0 or number modulus 10 equals to 7, then we count it as a Buzz number. So as you can see, this is a simplest and the most interesting form of using the if-else statement. We have dictated int n as 21. So we need to check if n modulus 7, that is 21 modulus 7, is 0 or not, or 21 modulus 10 is 7 or not. So if it is, we just simply print out it's a Buzz number. If it isn't, we don't. So in this program, since 21 is a Buzz number where it is divisible by 7 or ends with a 7, it's a Buzz number. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.